Let's compare our natural wavy and loose curly texture. This is our natural wavy. It has a softer, more relaxed pattern. Each bundle is about 100 grams with a clean, secure weft. For a natural install, most clients use 2 bundles, and for longer lengths, typically 3. This is our loose curly. You'll see a more defined curl pattern with added texture and volume, while still keeping that soft, natural finish. With raw hair, every bundle is unique, so some curls may be slightly looser or tighter depending on the donor. Both textures are 100% raw Indian hair, ethically sourced, and completely unprocessed. If you prefer a softer, more subtle wave, natural wavy is a great choice. And if you want more definition and volume, loose curly gives you that fuller, more textured look. It really just comes down to your lifestyle and the look that you want to maintain on a day-to-day basis. But if you're unsure which texture is the best match for you, our texture concierge is here to help. We look forward to serving you at SL Raw Version Hair.